Hello and welcome to the Accommodated Learning Center. My name is Jenny and I'm a learning specialist. I meet with students and create personalized learning plans to support students throughout their academic journey. The Accommodated Learning Center provides academic supports to students with documented disabilities to ensure an equitable experience in university. These disabilities include, but are not limited to, physical and medical impairments, psychological and learning disabilities including ADD and ADHD, mobility, vision, or hearing loss. The ALC can also assist in temporary situations such as a concussion, injury, or surgery that directly impacts academic performance. All accommodations are determined on a case-by-case basis derived from documentation provided by a physician, psychologist, psychiatrist, neurologist, or other appropriate healthcare professional. Documentation must be current, dated, and signed. This includes a diagnosis, prognosis, and DSM code if applicable. Frequency and severity of symptoms, impact to academics, and specific recommendations for how we can best support you should also be included. If you're coming to the U of L from high school, it is important to remember that the laws that regulate accommodations at college and university are different than those for high school. Incoming students will not automatically receive the same accommodations as they received in high school, and many post-secondary institutions require more specific and comprehensive documentation to show proof of a disability. The post-secondary environment is one that emphasizes independent adult learning and will require you to develop your own voice and learn to navigate your academic journey accordingly. The Accommodated Learning Center is located in U-Hall, B760. The ALC has 19 separate and private testing rooms for use by students with various disabilities. We also have access to a new distraction-controlled location located in Student Union Building SU063. Cubicles have soundproofing dividers and students have access to the technology that they need. Common exam accommodations include a distraction-controlled location, extra time, access to a word processor, text-to-speech software, Kurzweil, speech-to-text software, Dragon, CCTV Zoom technologies, calculator, dictionaries, or white noise and earplugs. Common in-class accommodations include note takers, audio recording lectures, preferential seating, and note-taking technology such as the Smart Pen. Common out-of-class accommodations include academic tutors and strategists and assistive technology. Examples of assistive technologies include Dragon Naturally Speaking, which is speech-to-text software, Kurzweil, which is text-to-speech software, alternate format text, CCTV, DM systems, tablets, laptops, and smart pens such as the Smart Pen by LiveScribe and the C Pen, which is a reader pen. We can also assist to apply for funded services such as academic tutors and strategists, as well as permanent disability grants. If you require our services and would like to register with the Accommodated Learning Center, please reach out through email to alc@ulef.ca. You can also check out our webpage for answers to frequently asked questions and additional information about how to register. We look forward to meeting you.